Today, we live in a world with nearly 8 billion people. And with nearly 8 billion people and growing, we face real challenges like water scarcity, accessible health and hygiene, and protecting our planet. Our likes are changing too. As consumers, we want products made for us. Products that perform better than ever. Products that are safer with more transparency around ingredients. And products that reflect our value of sustainability. So how can innovation in home and personal care help shape tomorrow? How can laundry detergent save water? How can skin cream stop the damaging effects of pollution? How can the products we use every day better the environment? It's these possibilities and the global challenges we face that drive us to innovate. Together with our customers, we are partnering to create home and personal care products that make a difference in the lives of consumers everywhere. We want to boldly collaborate to find new solutions, from sensory enhancers, film formers, and rheology modifiers, to care polymers, solvents, anti-foams, and beyond. Let's innovate. Let's create. Let's seek together.